Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun spring bird Dollar Tree DIY for you. I found this great canvas at Dollar Tree with a bird on it that says Welcome Spring, and I want to frame it myself using a wood sign from Dollar Tree. So the first thing I do is use a razor blade and I cut the canvas off. That way I don't have to take all of the staples, they're out of the back, and I have a canvas that I can now frame. This is the frame I'm going to use. It is just about the right size and it's already got like a wood frame on it. I find that they tend to fall apart a little bit. I think they've redesigned them a little bit, but to reinforce mine, I reinforced the sides with my staple gun just to reinforce it. But again, I think they fixed it on the sign. Now to cut it out, I'm just going to go ahead and cut along the seams that were already on there since it was almost a perfect fit to fit it down inside the frame. And I just try it out, make sure it fits. If I need to cut a little bit off one side, it's easy enough to do. To attach it to the frame itself, I'm just using a rather thick layer of Mod Podge to really hold that heavy canvas on there and lay it in there where it will fit in there perfectly. Now that I have it in there, I want to seal it, so I go over the top of it with some matte Mod Podge as well. Really helps keep it on there and it gives it a really nice matte finish. Now I wanted to decorate mine a little bit. It has a frame that's like a unfinished MDF, I guess is what you call it. As you can see, it really soaks in paint. I'm just using like a light pink acrylic paint. I think I even got that at Dollar Tree to go over it. And I'm just using a makeup sponge and sponging it on. As you can see, one coat got soaked all the way in there. So you're going to have to do several coats if you're going to paint this frame. But I love it. I think it works out perfectly for this size canvas. I'm going to go ahead and make a new hanger for the top just using some twine and knotting it in the front. And I'm also going to add a few wood beads on here. These are just some Dollar Tree white wood beads just for a little flair to the hanger itself. And a little dot of hot glue on the end of the twine really makes it a lot easier to, string the beads and to get it through the frame like that. So I knotted on the front. I did 2 white beads on each side. And then to kind of give it a more finished appearance and make all of my cuts perfect, I decided to line mine with a little bit more twine just on the inside edge of the frame, just to hide any areas where I might not have cut it perfectly. And I thought it would give it a fun touch as well. This step is really kind of optional. I just wanted a little bit more texture going on, so I just took one piece of twine and wrapped it around all 4 sides, just attaching it with hot glue. Now for some fun spring touches, I picked up some little cherry blossoms from the Dollar Tree, some little light pink flowers, and there's already flowers on there, but I thought if we glued some on there, it would really go with the welcome spring vibe. So down here in the left corner, I'm just going to do an odd number. I'm going to do 3 of those little flowers, and this is how it turned out. I think it's really pretty for spring. If you'd like more spring Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.